In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a dripping and splatter effect in Photoshop. The first step is go to File, click to New. Follow the above settings and click to Create button. Go to File menu and click to Embedded Image. Go to Select menu and click to Subject. Click to New Layer Mask. Right-click on the image layer and select Convert Smart Object. And go to File menu and click to Embedded Image and open Dripping File and place the file as you like. Right-click on Dripping Layer and click on Select Pixels. And go to Select menu, click on Inverse. Select Image Layer and click on New Layer Mask. We create a new layer. We select the brush from the Tools menu and apply it where we like. Thank you for watching.